Yoga for Flexibility and Stress Relief. Beginner's Guide. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's fast-paced world, stress and a sedentary lifestyle have become common culprits for physical and mental health issues. Yoga, an ancient practice that originated in India, offers a holistic approach to combating these modern-day problems. Not only does it enhance flexibility and strength, but it also serves as a powerful tool for stress relief and relaxation. This beginner's guide aims to introduce you to the world of yoga, focusing on its benefits for flexibility and stress reduction. Understanding yoga, more than just physical exercise. At its core, yoga is a comprehensive system that encompasses physical postures, breathing techniques, pranayama, meditation, and ethical guidelines for living a meaningful life. While the physical aspect of yoga is widely popular, it is essential to recognize that the practice goes beyond contorting the body into impressive poses. The benefits of yoga for flexibility. 1. Improved range of motion. Regular practice of yoga asanas gently stretches and elongates muscles, tendons, and ligaments. This leads to an increased range of motion, making everyday movements more fluid and comfortable. 2. Enhanced joint health. Yoga promotes joint health by encouraging a full range of motion. It helps prevent degenerative conditions like arthritis by keeping joints lubricated and reducing stiffness. 3. Correcting postural imbalances. Sedentary lifestyles and desk-bound jobs often lead to poor posture. Yoga postures work to correct these imbalances by strengthening weak muscles and lengthening tight ones. 4. Alleviating aches and pains. Tension and tightness in the body can lead to various aches and pains, especially in the neck, shoulders, and back. Yoga helps alleviate these discomforts by releasing muscular tension and promoting relaxation. The role of yoga in stress relief. 1. Calming the nervous system. Yoga activates the parasympathetic nervous system, responsible for the rest and digest response. This counteracts the stress-induced fight-or-flight mode, inducing a state of calmness. 2. Mind-body connection. As you delve deeper into your yoga practice, you'll find that it cultivates a profound sense of self-awareness. This heightened awareness extends beyond the physical body, allowing you to recognize and acknowledge your thoughts, emotions, and sensations. Through consistent practice, you'll develop the ability to observe these aspects without becoming entangled in them. This detachment from the whirlwind of thoughts and emotions brings a newfound sense of mental clarity and calmness. Ultimately, the practice of mindfulness in yoga becomes a powerful tool for navigating the challenges of everyday life with equanimity and grace. 3. Deep relaxation. Savasana, often considered one of the most important poses in yoga, allows for complete surrender and relaxation. It provides a rare opportunity to let go of muscular and mental tension, leading to a state of deep restfulness. Yoga Nidra, or yogic sleep, takes relaxation to an even deeper level. In this guided meditation practice, the practitioner remains in a state between wakefulness and sleep, inducing a profound sense of calmness and rejuvenation. By integrating these techniques into your practice, you unlock the transformative power of deep relaxation, allowing your body and mind to find a state of true tranquility. 4. Reducing cortisol levels. Cortisol, often referred to as the stress hormone, plays a crucial role in the body's response to stress. However, chronically elevated levels of cortisol can lead to a range of health issues, including impaired immune function, weight gain, and disrupted sleep patterns. Yoga offers an effective means to regulate cortisol production through its ability to activate the parasympathetic nervous system, commonly known as the rest and digest response. This counteracts the continuous state of heightened alertness induced by chronic stress. By practicing yoga regularly, you empower your body to manage cortisol levels more efficiently, promoting overall well-being and resilience in the face of life's challenges. Getting started. Yoga for beginners. 1. Choose the right style. Yoga comes in various styles, each with its unique emphasis. For beginners, Hatha or Vinyasa yoga are excellent starting points. Hatha focuses on basic postures and is ideal for building a strong foundation. Vinyasa, on the other hand, emphasizes the coordination of breath and movement. 2. Practice consistency over intensity. Consistency is key when starting a yoga practice. Begin with a few sessions per week, gradually increasing the frequency. Avoid pushing yourself too hard. Listen to your body and respect its limitations. 3. Invest in quality equipment. Additionally, consider props like yoga blocks, straps, and bolsters, as they can assist in achieving proper alignment and provide support in challenging poses. These props are particularly helpful for beginners or individuals with limited flexibility. When choosing a yoga mat, opt for one with adequate cushioning to protect your joints during practice. Look for eco-friendly options made from non-toxic materials to align with the holistic nature of yoga. Investing in durable, moisture-wicking clothing ensures you stay comfortable and dry throughout your practice, allowing you to focus on the mindful movements and breath. 4. Learn proper breathing techniques. Breath awareness is fundamental in yoga. Practice diaphragmatic breathing, inhaling deeply through the nose and exhaling through the mouth. Coordinating breath with movement enhances the flow of energy and maximizes the benefits of the practice. 5. Seek guidance from experienced instructors. Experienced instructors bring a wealth of knowledge about alignment, anatomy, and breathing techniques, allowing them to tailor the practice to individual needs. They can offer variations for different levels of flexibility, making yoga accessible to everyone. Moreover, they create a supportive and encouraging environment, fostering a sense of community among participants. Their expertise can help you progress in your practice and avoid common mistakes that may lead to injuries. Remember, seeking guidance from a skilled instructor not only enhances the physical benefits of yoga, but also enriches the spiritual and mental aspects of the practice. Conclusion: embarking on your yoga journey. Yoga is a powerful tool for enhancing flexibility, reducing stress, and improving overall well-being. By integrating this ancient practice into your daily life, you embark on a journey toward physical and mental harmony. Remember, progress in yoga is a gradual process, so be patient and kind to yourself. As you continue to practice, you'll not only experience enhanced flexibility and reduced stress, but you'll also discover a profound sense of inner peace and balance. Namaste. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep chasing your dreams.